Hi everyone, in this Excel tutorial I'm going to show you in 3 quick easy steps how to fix the color and contrast on your Excel spreadsheet. Now to do this we use a tool which is built into Microsoft Excel called Accessibility Assistant. This tool is basically designed to help make your spreadsheets more user accessible in several areas or categories. So the first thing we need to do is on your spreadsheet, go to the Review ribbon, click it, and then click this button here, Check Accessibility. Now this brings up the Accessibility Assistant. So basically you've got various areas of user accessibility, and in real time this Accessibility Assistant pane analyzes your spreadsheet, and if in that particular area of accessibility there's no issue, you'll get a green tick. So for example here we've got a green tick for no missing alt text under media and illustrations. But if you do have any issues, it will give you a number count. Now the area we're focusing on in this tutorial is under color and contrast, and it's called hard to read text contrast. So in this case I've got 3 cells on my spreadsheet, D6, D8 and D10. They've all got the text hello world, and the contrast for each of these cells, the Accessibility Assistant has flagged as hard to read. So where you do have any outstanding issues, you just click on the category. So in this case, we're going to click here. And if you've got more than one accessibility issue, Excel will simply explain that you've got one of whatever number, and you can cycle through by clicking on this arrow here, all the issues, and Excel will not only take you to each accessibility issue cell, but it'll also provide a recommendation on what font color you should change that particular cell to enable a good contrast between the font color and the background cell color, thereby making the visibility clearer and resolving the accessibility issue. So in this case, we've got this cell here, D10, and Excel is requesting that we try one of these colors to resolve the accessibility issue. So for this cell at the moment, we've got a dark teal color and a font black color. So if I simply click, for example, on this recommendation here, you can see that Excel has resolved the issue, and we know that because this counter here indicates we've only got one of 2 left, where previously it was one of 3. And then similarly, folks, you just cycle through the issues, and it's a simple case of accepting Excel's recommendations and trying out either color to see which one suits. Or if you prefer yourself manually to change the colors or background cell color, you can do so from the options here and also from the ribbon. So in this case, for this cell, D6, I've got a yellow background and some green text. I'm going to choose this recommendation of Excel's to change the font color to dark green, and the issue gets resolved. Then we only have one issue left. And for cell D8, I've got a purple background and a light orange font. So I'm going to change the font color to this recommendation here. And there you go, folks. That's it. Note, once all the issues are resolved, you'll get a green tick appearing, which will indicate your spreadsheet has no issues for that particular accessibility area. Okay, so that concludes this tutorial. We have seen how we can use the Accessibility Assistant in 3 quick easy steps to fix the color and contrast on your spreadsheet. If there are any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you and have a great day. Cheers.